Hello friends, welcome to United Cuisine. Today's episode we want to revive the good memories that you made in Thailand by preparing khao niao mamuang. Sticky rice with mango. If you never heard of it before, then it's past time that you try it. You will only need a handful of ingredients, mainly good quality coconut milk, some sugar, a bit of salt, and most importantly, glutinous rice, which is also known as sticky rice and can be found in any Asian supermarket. Last but not least, a well-ripened mango and a few sesame seeds for some crunchiness. Let's start by putting 250 grams or 1¼ cup of Thai glutinous rice into a big bowl and properly wash it till all the starch gets off its surface. When putting in the first round of water, the glutinous rice grains usually unite to a big block, so make sure to gently squeeze them apart while washing. Grab a sieve and repeat the wash and drain cycle approximately 5 to 8 times till the water doesn't turn foggy anymore. Don't leave this step out and do it properly, otherwise your sticky rice runs the risk of tasting a bit floury after steaming it. Yes, we are going to steam our sticky rice, therefore you must soak it in fresh water for at least 6 hours. We had let it soak overnight to make sure that our rice absorbed enough water which is necessary for the steam cooking process. Don't worry if you never steamed rice before. It's rather simple and we won't need any fancy steaming device. Before we move on though, make sure to drain off every drop of excess water in order to avoid your sticky rice from turning mushy during the steaming process. Great, now grab your clean cotton dish towel and let's move over to the stove. Bring at least 1 liter of water to a boil, however make sure that your pot is deep enough for the water is not to make contact with the rice. We want to gently steam, not boil our precious sticky rice. Place the metal sieve on top of your pot and also form a hole in the middle of the rice. This will increase its surface area and will help to cook it more evenly while steaming. Now, very carefully place the dish towel on top, but make sure to not burn yourself for the steam is very hot. Moreover, if you have a gas stove, please pay extra attention and don't set your towel on fire. Alternatively, just skip the towel and only put the lid on top. Let the rice cook in your innovative steamer for 30 minutes and make sure to prepare the coconut syrup in the meanwhile. Add a cup or 250 milliliters of good quality and well-skimmed coconut milk into a saucepan and gently warm it up over medium heat. Add the sugar and give it a good stir. Follow up with 1 teaspoon of salt and keep on stirring till the coconut milk starts to boil slightly and all of the sugar dissolved. Don't leave the coconut syrup on the stove for too long. We don't want to reduce it. Once sugar and salt are dissolved, put on the lid and set aside. Once the 30 minutes of steaming are over, put on your kitchen glove and take off the lid as well as dish towel of your pot. Be really careful here. The metal handle of the sieve is very hot. Put on your kitchen glove beforehand and don't burn yourself. If you never had glutinous rice before, you should understand why it's called sticky rice now. Have a look. One big, almost gummy mass of rice. Except at the very bottom, which turned out a bit mushy, but nothing critical. Just break up the mass a bit and immediately pour over the warm coconut syrup. Gently fold till rice and syrup unite to a big mushy mass. Don't worry, the rice will fully absorb it and turn sticky again. Just properly cover it with aluminium foil and let it rest for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's quickly prepare the salty coconut sauce by pouring 100 ml of coconut milk into our saucepan and mixing in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring to a slight boil and mix in a teaspoon of corn or rice starch with a tablespoon of water and slowly stir it into the sauce. Doing so, you will avoid lumps. Once it starts boiling, the coconut milk will thicken a bit. Great! Now it's time to have a look at our sticky rice. As you can see, after 15 minutes it's already less mushy. Give it another good stir, cover and let rest for another 30 minutes, so 45 minutes in total, and we will be ready to serve. Perfect. Just give it a final fold and let's move to the assembly of our mango sticky rice. Our mango sticky rice recipe yields 3 generously sized portions and it's best served when the rice is still warm. Indulge yourself and your significant other by adding plenty of ripe, sweet mango slices, cut the Thai way and pouring some of the salty coconut milk over it. If you can't get your hands on yellow mung beans, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top instead. And there you go, one of the many addictive dishes from the land of smiles. We thank our viewers from Thailand for this delicious treat and are looking forward to cooking something tasty from your country soon. Make sure to leave us a comment with your favorite dish from your home and don't forget to join our community for more international recipes. Dan hei aroi! Thanks for watching and until next time with another international recipe here at United Cuisines. Sweet, salty, this is just great. Exactly what I needed. Thank you, my Thai friends.